How to see Reels history on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to view your recently watched Reels and activity on the Facebook app for Android. First, open the Facebook application on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Following that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Activity Log. Moving forward, you'll see different activity categories displayed. Look for Logged Actions and Other Activity section. Tap on it to expand more options. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Videos You've Watched. This will show you all the videos, including Reels you've recently viewed. You can scroll through your entire watch history here. Alternatively, if you want to see Reels you've interacted with directly, go back to the main Facebook feed. Tap on the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now tap on the clock icon or Recently Watched. This shows all the Reels you've watched recently in chronological order. You can tap on any Reel to watch it again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you see Reels history on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.